Hi, we are doing logarithm. The question is if m is equal to log 20 and n is log 25, find the value of x such that or so that 2 log x minus 4 is 2m minus n. So what is given to us? It is given 2 log x minus 4 is equal to 2m minus n. So substituting the value, we will substitute the value of m and n. So this will turn out to be 2 log x minus 4 is equal to 2 log 20 for m and minus log 25. Use the law. Now we will use the law of log, that is n log a is log a raised to the power n. So this will become the first one. This side will become log x minus 4. 2 will go on the top, square it. Same way 2 log 20 will become log 20 square minus log 25. Now again we will use the law of log, that is log a minus log b is log a by b. Fine. So this will become log x minus 4 whole square is log 20 square a, and this will turn out to be b by 25. So let's solve this. This will become, put it in bracket, x minus 4 whole square is log 20 into 20 by 25. We can write it like this. This will be 5, this will be 4, this will be 4. So what have we derived from this? Log x minus 4 whole square is log 16. Right? Now both side there is log, therefore x minus 4 whole square is 16. What we will do now, we will square root both the side. To remove this 2, what we can do? Square root both the side. Square root both the sides. So x minus 4 square ka square root and 16 ka square root. Now here you have to take care. This will become x minus 4 iska square root, and this will be plus minus 4. 16 ka square root is plus minus 4. Plus 4 is also square root of 16 and minus 4. So we will take both the cases here. So x minus 4, let's take plus 4 first. So x will become 4 plus 4, that is 8. Now if x minus 4 is equal to minus 4, then x will become minus 4 plus 4, my plus minus minus 0. So we got two values of x. X is equal to 8 and 0. Now we will, what two values may say, which value we have to take, or we have to take both the values, that depends on my log. Now we have seen here what was there, log x minus 4. x कैसे था? x minus 4 log था. So if x is 0, log x minus 4 will become what? Log 0 minus 4, that is log minus 4. So we know, so the negative log is not defined. So के बदले let's write as the negative log is not defined, x is not equal to 0. Fine. And if x is equal to 8, then log x minus 4 will become what? Why we have taken x minus 4? Because x minus 4 ka log we have to find in the sum. So log 8 minus 4, that is log 4. So this has become a positive. When x is 8, the log is turning out to be positive, and when x is 0, the log is coming out as negative, which is not defined. So therefore what will be the value of x? It will be only 8. In case it was some log which had a square, then that case would have been a different one. We will put the value and we will see if both the times the log is coming positive, then both the values we will take. If once the log is coming negative and once the positive, we will take the positive, the value of that x where the log is coming positive.